There are three different scale commands located on a flyout here. Select and uniform scale, select and non-uniform scale, and select and squash. In older versions of Max and Viz, it made a lot of sense to have separate commands for uniform and non-uniform scale, but now, because the way the transform gizmo works, you can access either mode from either command. But scale and squash is different, and I'll get to that. First, uniform scale. The scale gizmo is centered on the object's pivot point. That will be the center of the transformation. If you put your mouse in the center of the gizmo and drag, you are uniformly scaling the object. If you drag it down, you make the object smaller. I let go of the mouse and the gizmo reset to its initial size. I'll scale it back up to a reasonable size and let go of the mouse. Now you can non-uniformly scale the object by dragging any one of its axis handles. I'll drag this axis in and I'm narrowing the chair. Or I'll drag this axis up or this one in. You can scale in 2 dimensions at once if you put your mouse on one of these bars. This is equivalent to choosing non-uniform scale up here, which just highlights the bars. But even if you choose select and non-uniform scale, you can actually uniformly scale the object if you put the cursor in the middle. I'm actually uniformly scaling it right now. This last command on the flyout is called select and squash. And squash tries to maintain the same volume no matter how you scale the object. So I'll try scaling it using this bar, and the object will squash, but all the while it will try to maintain the same volume. Notice that you cannot uniformly scale the object with select and squash. Only the bars are active.